Sunday is a day for rest.
Teacher, you like my drawing?
We can kind of like make excuses. It is Vlogmas day 4 and I'm here, as you can see, on the beach. I'm filming the intro on the beach because I did not film an intro this morning because I was running a little bit late, so bear with me. But the video today is gonna end at the beach and you guys will get to see a little bit of what I did today. It's super chill because it's Sunday and y'all know Sunday is a day for rest, so I spent my morning at church and now I'm at the beach, you feel me? But it's super chill. There's gonna be way more to come in the upcoming days of Vlogmas, so do not miss out on those. But for today, let's just keep it chill, okay? I encourage you all to do the same. Do whatever calms you, makes you happy, get you rested and energized for the rest of your week, okay? But let's get right into it. Enjoy the video. Thank you for coming to Naya's World. Mwah.
Let's keep fighting the good fight, man. Let's go. Let's have a great Sunday, man. Thank you.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Okay, you're gonna help me? Okay, perfect. Wow, you're such a good helper. Should we turn on the lights? No?
Teacher, you like my drawing?
Yeah, I do. Tell me what's in there.
It's you and your friend and me and my dog. Hey, that's mine.
You can't take his toys. Ask him if you can play with it. Ask him nicely. Nice.
Elvis Santa Claus.
And you?
Why are you laughing at my Santa Claus? I don't know how to draw Santa Claus.
Prepare him room, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. We'll sing, sing, sing. Joy to the world.
Okay guys, so it is Sunday. I haven't talked to you guys much today because I was at church all morning and then I decided to come to the beach after. I really hope that you could hear me because there's a lot of background noise. If y'all could hear that dog barking over there, and then like the beach is really windy. But I just felt the need to talk to you real quick about something, and it's just that I came to the beach today. I love coming to the beach and I don't come as much as I would like to, and I feel like a lot of times in life we can kind of like make excuses not to do the things that make us happy because we're so busy doing so many other things, which honestly is unacceptable. Like, you need to make time to do the things that truly make you happy because that's the stuff that's gonna make life unforgettable. That's the stuff that's gonna make you not regret your choices. What are they doing over there? Like, I really hope that you could hear me, but you don't want to look back and be like, oh, I wish I did this more, I wish I did that more. Like, for example, for me, it's little things like I like to paint. I wish I would paint more. I like to go to the beach. I wish I would go to the beach more. It could be like spending time with your family, or I don't know, like whatever your hobby is, maybe swimming, maybe running, or it could be something super chill, but like whatever it is that you're thinking of right now that you know makes you happy, but you never take the time out to do it, just do it. Just start doing it. And honestly, I'm just gonna sit here at the beach and stare at how beautiful it is and think about how small I am in this big world, but like still how significant my life is, that I was chosen to be here and that I can even be at this beach right now. That's what I think of when I come to the beach. I'm like, girl, it is December 4th. I'm doing Vlogmas on the beach, and I'm from Ohio, so that is like honestly, I think I'm gonna leave Vlogmas Day 4 at that, because I feel like I said all I had to say and did all I had to do today. I just feel so blessed right now, and I just want to encourage you guys to do something that makes you happy on the inside, no matter how small it is. It doesn't have to cost you money, just something that you avoid doing because you're so busy, or you tell yourself that you're so busy, but something that you could actually be incorporating into your life. Okay, for the rest of the day, I'm just gonna spend it with my friends. I'm not gonna film that because I want to have quality time, you know, without the whole Vlogmas shebang. So, but you guys will be seeing my friends upcoming in Vlogmas, because I'm gonna include them in some videos, and don't even worry about it. That is it for Vlogmas Day 4. And don't forget, if you missed some of the videos, make sure you go back and watch those. I'm not gonna lie, they're pretty good, so you don't want to miss anything. And make sure you come back tomorrow, the next day, and the next day, and the next day. I love you all. Thank you for coming to Nas World, and I will see you tomorrow for day 5.